Greetings, colleagues. We now have this error displayed on the screen. As you can see it when I hover the mouse over it. For those who have these problems, I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this problem. Once again, this video is brought to you by Maleka MS and Makena J from Tetema Circuit. Colleagues, as you can see under this pressure, my beard has grown substantially. So I am going through all these hurdles to try and assist you colleagues because what do they say in English? I don't know. Something about giving starts at home. So I'm starting with you colleagues. Once you get this error colleagues, what you basically have to do now is simply say okay, and then you would have to have this patch here which is 20.1.3 final, and then I will link the patch in the description below. I will share it with you below the video and then you can be able to utilize it. Now what you're going to get colleagues is once you try and install this patch, you will get a message from your computer telling you this, provided you have patched with the most recent patch. Let us wait for the message. Right, a more recent version of SASAMS is already installed on this PC. You say okay, then you say finished, and then you simply go to the bottom here, you type your control panel. You go to the control panel. Once you're in the control panel colleagues, you then get to uninstall a program. Once you're in the uninstall program, you now go to look for your standalone installation of SASAMS. Mine is installed in program files x86. Yours might be at a different location. So in this regard, you leave alone all the other installations, but you basically go to the Department of Basic Education, the most recent installed, then you remove it. Mind you colleagues, prior to doing this, you might simply please send your database at a particular location so that you know that whatever happens, you can still come back and paste your database. Now you get to it, you click on it, you uninstall the SASAMS which you will be having. You will look at the version also here. It says version 20.2.1. yours might be 20.2.0, but whatever the case, just remove that particular one if when you try to install you find that it is telling you that you have a more recent version installed. Now it is busy doing its thing. Let us wait on it. Colleagues, while it's busy doing its thing, my most recent resolution was for us to better ally with this and for me to not regularly provide you with these videos via this WhatsApp. Please click on the video, watch it on YouTube, and then be subscribed there so that you might leave your comments there in terms of new problems that you might be having, and I will be able to assist you where I can, and you can also be able to assist me where you can. So simply go there, subscribe, and leave a like if you like it. If you don't like it, also do a thumbs down and let me know where the challenge arises so we can better improve on it. So it is still uninstalling. We are waiting on it, but then go there colleagues, so that once you are subscribed you will get notifications. 10 minutes, that's 10. That's fine. Alright, my co-worker was telling me, you know, we have not purchased the recorder. So what is happening is it gives us a limit of 10 minutes. I think 10. If it's 5 colleagues, I'll just drop another video to continue this. You know, we are not having the luxury of being able to edit this video, so bear with us when it takes longer than expected. In the future, and fast forward the video, my dear. So yeah, it is still uninstalling, but what is happening is after it had uninstalled, what you will basically do is you will now install. Aha, there we are. Now you read whatever it is saying. It's fine, it's fine. Now you say okay, then it might ask you to reboot. In most cases, just install the new one. You will reboot after you have um, installed the requested patch. Now it is completing the uninstalling, colleagues. Wish there was a song I can play you to keep you busy with, but now you'll just have to do with me. Right, as you can see now, the program is uninstalled. For you to check if the program is uninstalled, you might get back to your control panel and look whether the program is uninstalled. We scroll through here. All SSMs will be next to each other, colleagues. As you can see, you are only left with the spreadsheet and another SSMs which are used for piloting, but then the 20.1 is not there, it's gone. You now go and you go into the folder that you are having your SSMs patch 20.1.3. You double click it, it will start to install. Now in the case where you are not having a patch that is later than 20.1.3, you still have your 20.1.2, it will just simply uninstall it and install itself, so you don't have to uninstall. But in a case where you have a later version, you would definitely have to uninstall. Based on where you install yours, you will simply change the directory to that particular directory. But in terms of mine, I'm not installing it in program files, I'm installing it in program files x86. If you ask me why, I just like it like the way it is. I like the x86. So you will install yours where you install it, then there it is installing. Then you would simply have to wait a moment or two. By the looks of it, colleagues, I would have to drop you another video here where I would be completing this, but this will be the first step toward resolving the error that we had. Now after 20.1.3 that is linked in the link below has installed, you simply have to open the database and then it will repatch it and compact it, and then after you're done with that, you close it, then you patch again with the recent patch, and then you will see as you are attempting to patch it, it will now successfully patch. Let us just wait for it, colleagues. Let's bear with it. It is coming along. Yeah, colleagues, right now we are left with just 2 minutes of our video. Remember, we haven't purchased anything. We are not married to the Bandicam, colleagues, so that is why the Bandicam is not giving us the whole day to do as we like. It is limiting us, it is advertising itself to us. And hopefully, colleagues, this assists you, because I have been myself, sometimes it is not a nice feeling to have principals next to you telling you to resolve an issue and you are out there lost in time, unable to assist anyone. We don't like it. Colleagues, we are going to continue with another video after this, but for now I'm going to show you how to simply patch, and then after that we are gonna reshoot again. We are in the studio, colleagues. We are patching like nobody's business. Hey, it is installing, colleagues. It is installing, it is coming along nice, and that time I can see it, colleagues. It's running away from us. Right, as you can see, it's installing. All this blinking of the shortcut display. Okay, now it has successfully finished. In the next video we will be launching it. As such, after we launch it, then we patch it. So our time is up on this one, colleagues, but we have successfully installed what we were installing. Let us continue this in video number